Eye floaters are tiny shapes that float across your field of vision. Debris in your vitreous casts shadows onto your retina, making the floaters appear. Medical treatment of floaters often requires surgery. As with any surgical procedure, there are risks associated with surgery for eye floaters. Some natural treatment approaches have been identified to get rid of floaters. For some people, these approaches provide a safe and effective alternative to medical interventions. This is particularly attractive for people who wish to avoid surgery. The most frequently recommended form of eye floater treatment is to leave them alone. There is no natural treatment available that can make them dissolve. If you ignore them, however, eye floaters will most likely settle out of your field of vision and go away on their own within a few weeks or months. There are many upsides to using natural treatment methods to get rid of floaters versus surgical options. If you simply try to ignore the floaters, there is little risk involved, and instituting healthy lifestyle changes boosts your overall quality of life. Drawbacks to going the natural route are that you may need to try multiple methods and commit to lifestyle changes that can be difficult to make. In some instances, the floaters simply won't get better and you'll ultimately need to get surgery. While floaters are typically harmless, they can be an indicator of a more serious eye problem. If you notice a sudden onset of floaters, especially when accompanied by additional symptoms, see your eye doctor right away to determine the cause of the floaters and the best treatment options. What are eye floaters? Eye floaters are small dark spots, specks, or squiggly lines that appear in your vision. They are caused by tiny pieces of debris in your vitreous, or the gel-like substance that fills 80% of your eye. The debris floating in your vitreous casts shadows on your retina, which makes you see the tiny shapes in your field of vision. Floaters are a natural part of aging, and they are harmless to most people. They can be an annoyance, but they do not pose a threat to your vision. In many cases, ophthalmologists do not recommend surgery. Rather, they suggest ignoring the floaters until the brain adapts to their presence and you don't notice them anymore. This is the most recommended course of action for floaters. Natural treatments for eye floaters. When floaters become severe, they can be dense enough to impact your vision. In these situations, treatment may be warranted. The traditional form of treatment for floaters is vitrectomy, a surgical option to remove floaters from the eye. Many people prefer not to undergo eye surgery, but they would still like to get rid of their eye floaters. There are some natural treatments you can try. While none directly address eye floaters, they can improve the overall health of your eye. This helps to lessen the impact of floaters. Natural remedies for eye floaters involve many lifestyle changes. Try the following. Eat a healthy diet full of anti-inflammatory foods. Apply hot and cold compresses to help your eyes relax. Gently massage your temples with your eyes closed. Do eye exercises, such as rolling your eyes and focusing on a moving object, to build resistance to fatigue and reduce floaters. Reduce screen time. Wear protective glasses, such as sunglasses and computer screen glasses. Drink lots of water to help rid the body of toxins that can lead to floaters. Take a daily vitamin supplement that includes omega-3 fatty acids, beta-carotene, selenium, lutein, spirulina, chlorella, blue-green algae, and vitamins A, C, and D. Try self-acupressure. Get good rest and allow your eyes time to relax. Herbal therapy is another natural treatment option for eye floaters. Herbal techniques to fight eye floaters include taking ginkgo biloba to improve circulation to the eyes. Traditional Chinese formulations for eye health. Grapeseed and bilberry extracts for their antioxidant properties. All of the above natural remedies are aimed at promoting eye health and reducing toxins and inflammation that can lead to eye floaters. Avoiding activities that harm eye health, such as too much screen time, reading in poor light, smoking, and drinking too much alcohol and caffeine, are additional steps you can take to treat your eye floaters naturally. Talk to your doctor before you begin taking any supplements. They can confirm it won't negatively interact with any other medications you are taking.